Okay, guys, this is Dr. Williamson, and I'm going to show you a couple more tips on graphing that I think will help. So first, I'm going to highlight this, and then I'm going to highlight this, and then I'm going to go to Insert, Chart, Scatter. Now I'm going to make this graph bigger for now. Then I'm going to format this axis and make it 0 to 30. I'm going to format this and make it 1.5 to 3.5 format axis. 1.5 to 3.5. Then I'm going to insert axes titles. All right. So this will be natural log v infinity minus v. And this will be time in minutes. Okay. Chart title. Right. And this will be decomposition of H2O2 at 25.0 Celsius. Okay. I'm not going to bother with the subscript and the superscript. Okay. And then when students plot this, a lot of times they have a bunch of wasted space up here because this might be really big and it takes up a lot of space between here and here. So one way to make this even bigger is you grab this title, pull it down into here. Then you grab this square and make it bigger. And maybe pull this down a little bit and make it bigger. You guys see? Then grab the title and pull it up inside. Okay. You guys see that? Now I'm going to go with my add trend line. There's my best fit line. Now I'm going to copy this whole thing. I'm going to go over here to Microsoft Word. I'm zoomed out. Let's say this is my lab report. Right? Here's my first page, my second page, my third page, my fourth page, my fifth page, right? And let's say now that I want my graph to be on the next page. I'm going to go till I get the next page. But I want this page to be landscape orientation, but not the others. So I'm going to go here to layout. I'm going to click right here and go to landscape orientation, apply to this point forward. And I'm going to change the margins to 0.5. The margin's right up here. I changed to 0.5, made it landscape orientation for this point forward. So I guess I can delete this. Oh no, Control Z. I didn't want that. So I guess let's try here. I'm going to insert my graph. Right. I want this landscape orientation. So let's do this. We'll do it from this point forward. Insert landscape 0.5, 0.5. 0.5, 0.5, right? Landscape. Apply to selected sections. I guess the fact that I highlighted 2 pages, it'll do it to just those 2 pages. And here it is, landscape. I don't want these highlighted. I don't want those landscaped. So I've got to undo that. Guys, I'm sorry for messing this up. And I want these 1-inch margins. Hopefully I'm not messing up too bad. Okay, so it does that normal. That normal. Let me insert a page break here. Insert page break. Now it should do these landscape without messing up anything. 0.5, tab 0.5, tab 0.5, tab 0.5. Selected sections. Man, driving me nuts. Okay, you'll have to fiddle around with that. I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. I make that bigger, right? I got some spaces up here that don't belong here. Make this bigger, right? Maybe space it down a little bit. And it's really big on the page without much wasted space. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. You'll have to mess around with that. Okay, to see why it's doing this landscape when I only want. Let's try one more time. Here, let's try selected text. Here, tab 1, oops, tab 1, oh, come on, tab 1, oh, come on, tab 1, portrait. Let's see if it does it here. Okay, the rest is landscape. I guess I had to do selected text. All right, and the rest is landscape. There we go. All right, I had to do selected text. So it does all this. In your regular reading, and then it makes your graphs landscape and big. Sorry it took so long to figure that out, guys, but anyway, you get it. You can even going back over here. Well, go back over here. You can even still make this bigger just a little bit. Make it a little bit easier to read. You guys get the idea. Okay. So anyway, that should help. Sorry. Well, me showing you the mistakes still provides you some knowledge. Don't make the mistakes that I made. Okay. Anyway, I hope that helps. I'm done with the video.